Wow, look guys, it's a pile of blue muddy toys. Waddy-dow, so cool. Let's check it out. It is so muddy guys. Let's collect them guys and then we'll clean them up. Wow, so many kind of toys. Rescue boats, trucks, airplane. Wow, amazing guys. Almost done. Let's go. Let's start cleaning guys. The first one guys. What kind of toys? Waddy-dow, an orange monster truck guys. Wow, so cool. What's the next one guys? It's an airplane. Whoa ho ho, Citylink airplane guys. Wow, it's taking off. Next, wow, what is that guys? Waddy-dow, Spiderman's mask guys. Wow, my favorite superhero. Next, wow, it looks like a truck guys. Weedy, a garbage truck guys. Wow, so cool. Next, wow, looks like a robot guys. Weedy, Heatwave rescue bots guys.
Appointed by Optimus Prime himself, Heatwave, the hot-headed leader of the rescue bot.
Wow, a cool firefighter. Next, wow, what is that guys? Waddy-dow, a forklift guys. Wow, so cool. Next, wow, what kind of truck is this? Whoa ho ho, it's missile launcher truck guys. Wow, amazing. Next, wow, what is that guys? Waddy-dow, Optimus Prime guys.
Autobot leader Optimus Prime has a message.
Wow, cool pose. Next, wow. Weedy, it's a blue monster truck.
This is a unique combination. Pablo's first time in this truck in the Monster Jam.
Wow, so cool. Next, wow, what is that guys? Wow, another airplane guys. Wow, it's also taking off. Next, wow, another robot guys. Whoa ho ho, it's Bumblebee guys. Wow, cool transformation. Okay guys, the last one guys. Weedy, it's Blade's rescue bots guys.
Neurotic Copterbot Blade would be way more comfortable if he wasn't a helicopter.
Wow, what a cool robot. Alrighty guys, it's all clean now. Thanks for watching this video guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you on the next video. Bye.